Hey guys, welcome to section 6. In the previous section, we learned different ways of storing information into our device. In this section, we'll learn about location services. That way, the app can display information according to the user's location. We'll retrieve this information with the delegate and also get the full user's address. Now let's move on to the first video of this section that gives us some theory about the location services and how it works. In this video, we're going to take a look at the different ways of locating the device, how the GPS works, and some requirements for using the core location framework. Location services allows us to detect the user's location. Might be a global location or a location inside the building. Both ways use a framework called core location. An app can try to locate a device using different methods. One of them is by antenna triangle, and another is by using the device's public IP. As we can imagine, this method is not very accurate. The third and most common one is by using the GPS. We have to mention that there are advanced methods for getting a more accurate location by using auxiliary sensors, like the accelerometer, the gyroscope, and the camera. GPS is a system where the device pings a satellite and receives information from it, like the latitude, longitude, altitude, the request time, and so on. From this information, we could say that usually the most important ones are the latitude, which is the angle from the equator to the North Pole. The longitude is also an angle but perpendicular to the latitude. It starts counting from the Greenwich towards the west of our planet. We can configure the core location for having more or less accuracy and also for receiving information only in certain conditions, like if the user has moved more than a few meters. Using location services requires requesting permission. That way the user knows which apps are receiving their location. Using core location on background also requires some special configuration. Sometimes it behaves differently on the simulator. The GPS works fine outdoors. However, indoors, it loses accuracy. There are occasions that are preferable when tracking a region inside a building than getting the global coordinates. For example, imagine an app that guides the user throughout a supermarket. In this case, we have to use iBeacons, which is based on receiving the location from a transmitter which uses Bluetooth low energy. Core location also works with iBeacons. However, in this course, we're not going to focus on it. Another framework commonly used with core location is the map kit, which displays the map with the user location, also the directions for a destination. In this video, we've seen the main concepts about the location services on the phone.